In TestCard, we've embedded a urine diagnostic device into a postcard, which, in conjunction with a mobile phone app, lets people diagnose common conditions in the comfort, convenience and privacy of their own home. Our first couple of tests are urinary tract infection, pregnancy and drugs of abuse. But really, we're a platform technology. We can develop any rapid diagnostic into this sort of format. We'll go on to do diabetes, kidney disease, a full pregnancy package for fertility, ovulation, and in a couple of years' time, we're looking to produce the first urine screen for prostate cancer.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Andrew, and I'm here to talk to you about TestCard. At TestCard, we've embedded a urine diagnostic device into a postcard, which, in conjunction with a mobile phone application, means you can diagnose common conditions in the comfort, convenience, and privacy of your own home. Everyone here is very lucky. The reason why you're very lucky is because you've probably never been isolated from healthcare geographically or economically, but this is a real problem in many parts of the world, a problem that we're in early talks with the Gates Foundation to start addressing. But people in the Western world are still socially isolated from healthcare, either because of being elderly and frail, having mental health conditions, or just because there's a social stigma attached to the condition they think they might have. TestCard addresses all of these accessibility issues. Our first products to the market are a pregnancy test, a urine drugs of abuse screen, and a urinary tract infection test. We started with these products because these were the clinical scanning technologies we needed to develop within our application. Clinical scanning technology, which has recently been trialed in a pilot with Roche Diagnostics and has come out as more reliable than the professional in-use hospital products. But point-of-care testing has never really been shown to improve patient outcomes significantly. We believe that's because this testing is taking place in doctors' surgeries and hospitals to people who have already engaged in healthcare. So we designed our user experience to give confidence in TestCard, but confidence in the individual in being able to produce an accurate result with a low-cost product. This allows us to move to a predictive preventative model of medicine, which can save large amounts of money in the US health system alone on inaccurately or inappropriately tested urine specimens for UTI testing and reduce the number of inappropriate, unnecessary attendances to the emergency room. But what the home user gets ultimately is an answer to their question. Instead of getting numerical, nonsensical results, they get clear guidance about what the next step is and what they need to be doing. When used with a professional user, the professional user gains a way of being able to see results and information that would normally be invisible to them that's generated in the home, and a way of monitoring for compliance and managing that patient in an outpatient capacity. It isn't always the right thing to be bringing people into clinical settings, removing them from the safety and security of their own home. We are a platform technology, which means we can test any rapid diagnostic or combination of rapid diagnostics. So our pipeline includes testing for kidney disease, diabetes. We have a pregnancy management product, testing for sexually transmitted infections. Our global health products that we're working with Gates Foundation are around malaria and HIV. And in around 2 years' time, we'll bring out the first prostate health screen for at home. So you can send your dad a prostate postcard. So we have 4 main routes to market: the direct-to-consumer through our app and through a web, through retail, and we have early partnerships and agreements in that, and partnerships with employers and insurers or primary health providers. We've had a great time here at TMCx. We've built some good relationships, but we're always looking for new partnerships and new pilot sites. So if there's anyone interested in that, please come and see me. We're also doing a fundraise at the moment. We're about halfway through a $3 million raise. Thank you very much for your time.